Dwight Eisenhower ran the Allied forces, served as president, and still found time for golf and painting. His secret was a simple 2 by 2 grid that separated urgency from importance, and most people use it wrong. Your brain is wired to respond to urgency. It's a survival mechanism. But in the modern workplace, urgent tasks are rarely important. That Slack ping feels urgent. Your quarterly strategy doesn't. Guess which one actually matters? Quadrant 1, urgent and important, do it now. Quadrant 2, not urgent but important, schedule it. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important, delegate it. Quadrant 4, neither, eliminate it. Most people live in Q1 and Q3, never touching Q2. The goal is to spend 60 to 70% of your time in Quadrant 2. This is where strategic thinking, relationship building, skill development, and prevention live. The more time you invest in Q2, the fewer Q1 emergencies you'll have. Setting up an automated Eisenhower matrix in Todoist using filters and labels, with a daily review shortcut that categorizes new tasks in under 2 minutes. I've created a printable Eisenhower matrix worksheet. Link in the description. Start sorting your tasks today and watch your stress level drop within a week.